Greetings, guys. I just wanted to take a moment to clarify our UNAP project, and I know most of you have been in touch with your project manager, but just for well, the sake of being thorough and make sure we get a good product at the end of our project, I wanted to go over the steps. So many of you should already know what UNAP means. That's your URL, name, address, phone number, and the goal is to ensure that those four items are consistent across the board across all of the online directories that have relevance in the marketplace. And really, that should derive from the website. So you have this spreadsheet in front of you, and this is what I'm expecting from you as far as a deliverable is concerned. And you should have gotten this in an email. It should also be in D2L. And if you're watching this video, chances are it's because you clicked on D2L's link to drive you to this video. So when you get this spreadsheet, what you have to do is change the name of the hotel up top to whatever your hotel you're researching currently. It may be this one, it may be Hyatt House Cobb Galleria, it might be. But the expectation is that you, one, deliver a spreadsheet for each hotel. And you change the name up here essentially. Now, all you have to do is work your way through this list of local directories and really checking the UNAP. You can use getlisted.org as we had talked about before essentially if you are interested. So if you go to, getlisted.org, you can enter in the business name, the zip code, it'll do the search for you, or you could actually just operate right off of the spreadsheet, where the first one is your Google local. So you go to a tab, you drop in the URL, you do a bit of copy and paste, it brings up the web page, and then say you're looking for Hyatt House Cobb Galleria. You type in the hotel you're searching for, and this pops up. Now, for this channel, this dialog box is where you're going to want to look for information. This name right here is the name component of the UNAP that we keep talking about. So what you want to do is go ahead and research your hotel. Again, say it's Hyatt House Cobb Galleria. Go to the actual brand site as far as the hotel is concerned and look at this name. Does this name match the name on Google Local, if you will, which is shown right here? In this case, it does. And does the address match it? Does the phone number match it? Does the URL match it? Because remember, you're going UNAP, URL, name, um, well, name is that, address, phone number, so UNAP essentially. That's what you're cross-referencing, and you're using the website as the baseline. You want the URL to be consistent, you want the name to be consistent, you want the address to be consistent, and you want the telephone number to be consistent, and you want it down to the last iota. Iota is a Greek letter, typically denoted for a level of detail. But you see this slash there? Does it have that slash? In this case, it does, hence consistency. So once you've gathered that information on the spreadsheet, what I will expect from you is that you have started the process. The URL listing for that hotel specifically would essentially be what would come up if you click on more info, which would be this landing page, which is their Google Plus / local merged account. So you drop that in. The URL of the website would be the URL of the website. You would drop that in. Is the name, address, phone number correct? In this case, it was. Some cases, it's not. Are all the photos current? So you would look to see, well, let's see what kind of photos are here. You've got the exterior one, internal photo. You've got their bar. Let's go look over here. What kind of photos do they have? You got kind of their bar there. I guess, it's fairly oh, here are more photos. Yeah, I think this is fairly accurate. I see the same ones. So you would go back to your spreadsheet and click yes. Are the descriptions, amenities, fees, are they the same? So you'd do a little bit more in-depth research regarding some of those details on the Google Plus slash local merged account and answer yes or no. You provide any suggested updates, and then date contacted regarding the status of the listing. You just put the date that you actually looked at the listing there. And that's all I'm really expecting from you guys, just to do it across the board here for the multiple stages. So again, I'll post this on D2L. I'll expect a spreadsheet, and you should hear more information coming from me here shortly. So hope that was helpful.